You are the one. How to be more important and take others off a pedestal. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, you are the one that you have been waiting for. For your whole life, you've been looking for that special person, that special energy, that special vibration. And all along, it has been within you. It is within you. It is who you are. So once you understand that you are unique in all of history, in all of creation, every star, every planet, every person, every creation, you are unique. There has never been, nor will there ever be, another one like you. And understanding that uniqueness and understanding that you are the one that you've been waiting for. You are the person. You are your own savior. You are the one that can come into your life and bring you the prosperity that you desire, the love that you deeply crave, and the health that you depend upon. There is nothing stopping you. But all too often, we make other people the one. Other people take a special place in our life, and we don't give ourselves that special attention that we deserve. Look, I think it's wonderful to be generous. Be generous as much as you can. Give more, and more will be given back to you. But high flyers, we need to give to ourselves. Are you giving to yourself? Are you spoiling yourself? Are you nurturing yourself? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you doing everything for yourself to make you the highest version of you? Because within you is a crown jewel, a perfect jewel that has the ability to manifest anything, the life you desire, everything, the love you crave, everything, the health that you depend upon. It's within you. And so oftentimes we look at other people when we need to be looking in the mirror and looking within ourselves. The great poet and philosopher Rumi says, "Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it." All the barriers. Look at high flyers. We spend too much time building walls, and these walls are built out of fear, out of doubt, out of past pain, out of despair. And these walls keep us from the love, the infinite love that we could be experiencing every day. But first, high flyers, you must love yourself. A true manifester always has a love affair going with him or herself. Because you're special, because you're unique, and because if you don't truly love yourself and spoil yourself, how can you give to others? When you give to others, then it will be a type of resentment because you're not receiving. You see, you're giving to someone else, but you don't give to yourself. And so you put someone else up on a pedestal and give them power over you, rather than keeping the power within yourself. Because when you keep the power within yourself, high flyers, then you have the ability to give to everyone. And you can give more. And you can manifest more. And you can live a richer, more abundant, loving life. But first, You must love yourself and truly believe that you have a purpose, a mission, a reason for being here. This is your time. You are the one that you have been waiting for. So one of the things you might do is pull out a notebook and turn off all the lights, turn off all the electronics. Put a couple candles on your table, pull out your notebook and a pen, and write these words. I create barriers in my life that stop me from manifesting what I deeply desire, and here's how I do it. And write down what you do, the behaviors you take, the actions you take or fail to take, the thoughts you think, the fears you hang on to, and then ask yourself, here is what I'm going to do now to allow love and abundance and wealth and prosperity to flow into my life. And write it all down. What are you going to do now differently? Because once you do that, you are saying, I am important. I have value. My life has worth. And you're not putting other people on a pedestal or giving them power over your life. High flyers, if you don't do anything else, if you don't say anything else, if you don't use any other affirmation, join me right now. First, take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold it and out through the mouth. This is a wonderful way to become connected with your internal self. And say these two affirmations. Say them now. Say them aloud. I am unique. I am unique. In all the world, in all time and space, you are unique. And then follow it immediately with this affirmation. I am worthy. I am worthy. Notice that I put my hands palms up when I say that. I am worthy. And the reason I do that is because I'm stating to the universe and to myself that I am worthy of receiving. I am worthy of receiving love. I am worthy of receiving light. I am worthy of receiving abundance, money, happiness, joy. I am worthy because I am unique. There's no one like me. I am the one that I have been waiting for. I'm not waiting for someone else. I will love others. I will love deeply. I will love with deep passion and power. But first, I will love myself because I am unique, because I am worthy, because I am the one that I've been waiting for. High flyers, I believe it is so important that we set boundaries. And one of the problems is that people have no boundaries for other people. Other people have no boundaries in their life, but they have all kinds of boundaries for themselves. So if you've set boundaries for yourself, but you haven't set boundaries for others, you need to recalibrate and you need to think about setting boundaries for others and maybe removing some of the boundaries that you have set on yourself. In other words, don't ever set a boundary on yourself that you wouldn't set on another person. No one is more important than you. You are critical. You are vital. You are shining. You are glowing. You are important. Watch those boundaries, okay? Don't overset boundaries on yourself. If you respect yourself, if you love yourself, you love your body, the kind of food you eat, for example, the kind of exercise you engage in, the kind of books you read, the kind of company you keep. If you respect yourself, others will respect you as well. But if you don't respect yourself, how can you expect others to respect you? You know, it's so important. It comes back to those two phrases. I am unique. I am worthy. Yes, you are. Gandhi once said, I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Are you allowing people to walk through your mind, through your heart, through your soul with their dirty feet? You can stop that now. You have the choice. And so you're saying, well, yeah, but if I don't allow them to walk through my heart and my soul with their dirty feet, they won't like me, they won't want me. Then fine. Then that's okay. Because you will never, ever again degrade yourself in order to help someone else feel better about themselves. You will never, ever put yourself down in order that someone else feel great about who they are. You are worthy. You are unique. You are the one that you've been waiting for. So high flyers, I believe it's absolutely critical that you make yourself important. Say it. I am important. I am important. You know, on one hand, all of us are very important. And on another hand, no one is that important. But you get the idea. If you believe you're important to yourself, to the people you serve, your family, your loved ones, your friends, then your value will go up. Take others off a pedestal and focus on yourself and manifesting the life that you dream. Manifest the relationship that you've always dreamt about. Whether you are married or whether you are alone, you can have an incredible relationship. Stop people pleasing. You don't need to please everyone. And align with your true self. Who am I? What am I? What is my life about? Focus your time on personal development. Every day there should be some moment of time that is focused on your personal development. Love yourself completely. Enjoy your life and self-confidence. Get into that power pose, and enjoy feeling personal power flowing through your body. And if you don't know your purpose, find and ask yourself, what do I love to do? What do I love to feel? And that is your purpose. You are special. You are the one that you've been waiting for. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. And remember to click the bell icon as you subscribe, because we're here 5 days a week. 5 days a week. Yes. 5 days a week to empower your life. You are special, and we love each and every one of you. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.